How to find all 25 frames per second clips in Davinci Resolve. To begin, I added some media to the media pool and I want to create a smart folder that automatically finds all 25 FPS media that I have. Right-click on Smart Bins and click Add Smart Bin. In the opened window, set a name for the bin. In the conditions, select Media Pool Properties. In the next field, select Shot Frame Rate. Then select the number you want. I select 25 here. In the media pool, you can see the result of this condition in real time. You can see that some of the audio and images were also added to my folder, but I wanted only videos. So, click on the plus button to add another condition. Set the condition to clip type, and set it to video. Then click on Create button. And now if click on Master, I can see all the media in the media pool, and if I click on the 25 FPS videos which I just created, I can see only 25 FPS videos. The good thing about smart filters is that if import more media into the media pool, this smart bin will automatically filter all the 25 FPS videos. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.